Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb with Red Racing Industries. We are back with racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7, hitting episode 32. So, once again, we're going to be hitting up our great Type R. Now, in the last video you've seen, I switched tire compounds. So, I went from softs and I went down to mediums, even though it doesn't really matter that I need it. But it does give a different feel on the track. So I am testing that as majority of the time when you're racing. If you got mediums on anyway, you might even be on hards more, softs or for a lot of attack. Now, those tires are probably a lot more than this car even needs. However, experimenting those and testing them is something great to know. Anyway, let's go ahead and dive right in. Here we are, diving right back in with episode 32 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. Once again, we are heading over to Watkins Glen. I've got some gifts to claim at some point. That'll do later. Anyway, let's hop right in here. We've not got many more tracks left for the Americas, and then we can move on. It's taking some time. Watkins Glen, let's go ahead and over quick race and short. This one we'll do morning, and go ahead and do this one. So, supposedly not a very long track. I've not raced this one at all. Like, at all. I don't think I've even touched the short version of the track, but I have done the extended version. So immediately, the Charger has more pace coming in, but I can take a corner better than a Charger. So speaking of Charger, not the one right there, but a 2008 Dodge Charger was my very first car that I purchased for myself. I love the thing, except for reliability. Now, once again, it was used and had some miles on it, and I don't think the previous owner really took that good care of it. But other than that, I loved it. I think I should have kept it for a little bit longer than I did. I literally, kid you not, I only kept it 2 months. I had a whole dream for it, and then I was told that it was totaled, that I didn't find out until after purchasing the car, because the previous owner had it all kind of hidden. Oh, that's a little different. And I didn't have access to a Carfax. Now I do. Anyway. Love the car, except for that, and I feel like, the ownership was a little short-lived with it. I don't think I'll go back, maybe one day, but I've got the Civic Type R, and I've got the Porsche 944 for the time being. So, we're going to enjoy those. Anyway, let's head back, focus towards Watkins Glen. So far, I feel like we're doing pretty good. I mean, lap 1 down, we're down to P3. And we're going to be hitting, well, we hit P2, and we're going to be getting into P2 just about right now. So, time to attack for P1 and take that podium. There we go. I feel pretty smooth. Now we're still going to have to hit up the chicane. I love chicanes. I really do. My favorite one is the Daytona International Speedway. Just, especially in a GT3 car. Ooh, come on, Lamborghini Huracan. I gotta stay smooth, but I overtook him on the outside too. Come on, we're getting around it. I don't want to take it too fast. Got a bit of a lead, so I don't want to mess it up. There we go. As we come to the end of lap 2, that feels pretty solid. The short track actually wasn't that bad. I kind of enjoyed it. Normally I like longer tracks. They're more fun. I don't know, more going on, stuff like that. I'm not a big fan of like the overtime stuff. Anyway, that was episode 32 of Racing Track. real quick, let's watch the truck take over us. Take us in. I overtake right there. I gotta say that was great. Anyway, thank y'all again for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. And as I continue to get, let's get Gran Turismo. Add recreational. I know I'm checking every episode. I'm going to start checking every episode. So, I don't know what day this is of asking for it, but we're going to say we've asked for it in the video. So, 32 times I've asked for it. Anyway, other than that, I hope you all have enjoyed. I'll see y'all in the next video.